What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how you can unblock someone on Facebook. This is very easy, guys, and this is just a 1 minute tutorial. All you have to do, guys, you want to open your Facebook account, as you can see here. Let me go back to my account. Yeah, as you can see here, what you want to do, guys, after you open your Facebook account, you want to click menu at the very bottom right, as you can see, menu. Now after that, guys, you want to scroll down a little bit and click on settings and privacy. Okay, you can see here settings and privacy. If you scroll down, as you can see, settings and privacy. Now after you click on settings and privacy, you want to select the first option, which says settings. Okay, you want to click on settings. Now after that, guys, you want to click on profile settings in the top here, profile settings. All right, now what you want to do, guys, if you can see here, guys, if you pay close attention, you will see here blocking. What it means, you will see there the list of people that you have blocked on Facebook. You want to just click on blocking. Now you will see all the people that you have blocked. I didn't block a lot of people because I'm not really using Facebook. I barely use Facebook. So you can just click on unblock on each person you want to unblock. If you want to add someone to block list, you want to just click in the top here, add, and then you can select their name like I did. Hopefully this video, guys, helped you. Leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video. Let me know what fun you have in the comments and how it works.